Ma?
Yes, sometimes. Yes, I miss.
What about her?
My mother, I mean, मुझे मालूम है कभी कभी वो I would go out of home and she would be standing there. You know, वो कभी कभी there was some point she would look very cute when she was eating pan. She will eat pan. So that's how, yeah, sometimes you definitely, but you know, I am more that way. Time है जिसका तो जाना है My father 2004 passed away when he was 68.
He had cancer.
Yeah, he had. Yeah,
Okay.
he suffered for 6-7 years and then he
Did
passed
go
away.
through chemo?
Yeah, all that.
Okay. That must have been hard.
Yeah, because his suffering was, to watching him suffer was a little tough. Yeah. You know, another thing, when Irfan ko hua na, because I had seen my father, so you know, and Irfan and me became much closer. जब उसका पता लगा कि because during the treatment we started speaking quite often.
Okay.
Because he would just call me for hours. Sometimes I don't know what to talk to him because you know he'll talk about spiritual world, magic world, all kinds, cinema, जिंदगी को लेके. I think he was also trying to understand कि मुझे केमो करना है या should I go for an alternate therapy. You know, all he was thinking. And sometimes I now realize शायद इरफान को मैं अगर बोलता कि go for alternate therapy, not that I have nothing to do with that he did chemo and you know a normal, you know, medical, maybe he would have been alive little more because चला तो गया वो 2 साल में जितना टाइम दिया था डॉक्टर ने, you know, because it was the last stage almost that he was, so he tried really hard, but उसको ना alternative ही करना था वो, because कभी कभी वो खुद ट्रांस पे चला जाता था. Then some days I would go home and sit with him, do some breathing exercise. I said, इरफान आज मैं आपके साथ बैठ के थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करूं? बोलता है हाँ करो. So वो इतना ऐसा जेन्युइन आदमी ना, दोस्त बनना बहुत मुश्किल है. मतलब ऐसा आदमी मिलना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री द वे इरफान वाज. सो मतलब उसके अंदर एक अलग ही एक अदर ही एक ह्यूमनिज्म था, which that's why he was इरफान. उसकी आंखों में अभी भी वो चमक, वो स्माइल. वो मुझे फ़ोन करता था जब 4 बजे कभी फ़ोन आएगा ना उसका, तो मुझे लगता था कि पक गया वो, आएगा अभी, चाय पिएगा, झालमुड़ी खाएगा वो और बोलेगा दादा बात करो, चलो लेट्स टॉक. एंड देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फिल्म्स एंड नॉनसेंस एंड एवरीथिंग. या सो ऑल डे कुछ नरेशन वगैरह सुना होगा, उसको पसंद नहीं आया होगा, तो सीधा ऑफिस आ जाएगा वो जू में, एंड देन वी विल टॉक. सो दैट्स हाउ, and that's how he was supposed to do Udham, Sardar Udham also. He was the one who was supposed to do Sardar Udham.
And then he got sick.
He got sick and things happened and whatever and then happened.
Man.
He was supposed to do it.
You were convinced that he should do it.
उसी को पहले बोला था, because मेरे को तो जब उसके साथ एक बार काम कर लिया था तो मुझे लगा था इसके साथ ही कर.
You loved working with him.
Yeah, मेरे सारे, प्लीज मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ उसको ला दो वापस, उसको लेके आओ, लेके आओ. इरफान शुड कम बैक. उसके बिना मुश्किल है सर्वाइव करना.
You actually mean this?
Yeah, I mean this. It's very, very difficult. What you want to do, what you want to converse, किसी को समझाना. I think Irfan was, I miss him in every film now. Every film that I do.
वैसा कैसे बनते हैं? How do you become a person like that?
I don't know. I mean, you know.
I mean, just describe him to me and then.
There's something. There's something godliness about him, you know, just something so attractive and deep that, you know, you want to hug him, you know, you want to be with him, you want to smile with him, joy. There was something so deep, एक होता है ना कि एक प्यार and affection, you know, and love for art. And love for art just made him a person, a kind person and warm person for everyone. So I think that was him. He was, ऐसा warm आदमी मिलना भी मुश्किल है इंडस्ट्री में.
Yeah. But you've met people like that outside the industry?
Very rare. Outside में हाँ कुछ ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को मिला हूँ, but इंडस्ट्री में इरफान जैसा is rare. Rare मतलब rare. बाकी सब मतलब के लिए होते हैं, मतलब you know, कॉफी पी लेंगे आपके साथ, जब तक आप alive हो. बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री is like that. If you are, If you're on the Friday circuit, you're making a film and then आपके साथ कॉफी पी लेंगे, बात कर लेंगे live. Otherwise,
उसके बाद
nobody.
तू कौन?
कोई है नहीं. You are nobody.